Most Shopify store owners are paying for AI tools they don't actually need. Shopify already gives them one of the most powerful AI assistants for free, and most sellers barely use it. It's called Sidekick, and it can analyze your store, improve your product pages, build promotions, write marketing emails, and even help redesign your storefront. In this video, I'll show you 10 practical ways to use Shopify Sidekick to save time, make better decisions, and grow your business faster. So let's jump in. Number 1. Analyze your sales in seconds. Imagine it's the beginning of the month. You open your dashboard and notice sales are down by 15%. Normally, what do? You would spend an hour digging through reports trying to figure out what happened. But now, instead of doing this, you can ask Sidekick. Simply write this prompt, give me a full breakdown of this month's sales performance and tell me what changed. And within seconds, Sidekick compares your current performance with the previous period. It identifies where the drop happened, explain why it happened, and highlight the biggest changes. But don't stop there. Ask one more question. What should I do about it? Now, Sidekick doesn't just tell you the problem, it gives you a practical recommendation you can act on immediately. What used to take an hour can now take less than a minute. Number 2, increase your average order value. Getting more customers is expensive. Getting each customer to spend a little more is usually much easier. That's why average order value is one of the most important metrics in e-commerce. Most gurus advise like this: create bundles, offer upsells. That's helpful but not specific. So what you can do? Ask Sidekick, what can I do this week to increase my order value? And then Sidekick analyze your products, pricing, and customer buying behavior. Then it recommends which products work well as bundles, where upsells make sense, and which pricing opportunities are realistic for your store. Think about this. If you increase your AOV by just $5 and receive 200 orders every month, that's an extra 1,000 per month and 12,000 every year. Sometimes one good AI recommendation can produce a surprisingly large result. Number 3, create professional product images. Professional product photography can be expensive, but if you already have a product photo, Sidekick can help transform it. Simply open your product image, click generate, and describe the scene you want. For example, place this product on a marble countertop with soft natural lighting in a lifestyle setting. The more detailed your prompt is, the better your result will be. So here is the trick. You should mention the lighting and then mention the background, the camera angle, even the overall mood. You can also change colors, remove objects, add props, or generate completely new backgrounds. It's an easy way to improve your product presentation without booking an expensive photoshoot. Number 4, build promotions faster. Many store owners think about running promotions, but never actually launch them. Not because they are difficult, because they take time. Instead of creating discount manually, what you should do? Ask Sidekick. You can give this prompt like, create a 15% discount for my sale collection this weekend, automatically applied at checkout, and then Sidekick prepares almost everything for you. Sound interesting, right? It sets the discount amount, select the products, configures customer eligibility, set the start and end dates, and prepares it for review. You simply check everything and publish it. When creating promotions become this easy, you are much more likely to actually run them. Number 5, write better product descriptions. A great product description doesn't just explain a product, it helps customer buy it. If some of your listings sound more like technical specifications than sales copy, Sidekick can fix that. Try this prompt. Write a detailed product description that explains what makes this product unique, why customers should buy it, and optimize it for search. Now Sidekick creates a complete description that is both customer friendly and SEO friendly. Yes, it's that easy. Here's another useful tip. Create a custom brand voice skill. Tell Sidekick exactly how your brand should sound. Professional, minimal, friendly, or luxury, whatever fits your business. After that, every piece of content it writes follows the same tone automatically. That means less editing and much more consistency. Number 6, write marketing emails faster. Email marketing is still one of the highest ROI channels in e-commerce. The problem isn't knowing that, the problem is finding the time to write good emails. Instead, ask Sidekick. Write a promotional email for my new limited edition collection. Keep the tone calm and exciting. Include a 48-hour 15% discount and mention my top 3 best selling products. Sidekick generates subject lines, email copy, and a strong call to action. Just remember one thing: never copy and paste it without reading it first. Add a personal touch that only your brand can provide. That's what makes your email feel authentic. Number 7, improve inventory decisions. Alright, inventory mistakes are expensive. Too much stock ties up your cash. Too little stock costs you sales. So what you can do, ask Sidekick again. Tell me which product I should restock, which product are underperforming, and show my sell-through rate. It analyzes your inventory and highlights your fastest sellers. Identifies slow-moving products and recommends whether you should restock, discount, bundle, or remove them. So instead of guessing, you are making decisions using real store data. Number 8, build smarter customer segments. Not every customer should receive the same marketing message. With Sidekick, you can instantly create customer segments. For example, ask Sidekick, show me customer who signed up but never purchased. And then Sidekicks build a customer segment automatically. You simply review it, save it, and use it your next email campaign. That makes your marketing far more targeted and effective. Number 9, update your store design with AI. Changing your Shopify theme used to require hours of work or hiring a developer. That's expensive. Now you can simply tell Sidekick what you want. For example, make my store feel more premium with darker colors, more white space, and improve the hero section. Sidekick opens your theme editor and start applying those changes. It can even generate custom content blocks for your storefront. While complex custom development still requires a developer, most design improvements are now much easier than before. Number 10, save your best prompts. Alright, so if you use the same prompt every week, don't rewrite them every time. Write it once and then forget. Turn them into Sidekick Skills. Simply save your favorite prompts as shortcuts. Next time, just type a / comment and Sidekick runs the prompt instantly. Whether it's your weekly inventory report, sales analysis, or AOV review, you will build your own AI toolkit that saves time every single week. Shopify Sidekick is much more than an AI chatbot. It's a business assistant that's already included in your Shopify store, and most merchants still aren't taking full advantages of it. If you're running a Shopify business, start using these features today. Alright, so if you found this video valuable, give it a like, subscribe to Ecomclips, and turn on notification because we publish practical e-commerce strategies every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.